Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good evening to you all. So we are back with another closer up coins game on the channel. If you are new to the channel, an example is on the screen. Now, as you can see, a close up of a 50p coin, and we are going to see exactly what coin it is a close up of now, and it is the 2017 The Tale of Peter Rabbit. Now, so many people got them all right last time. I might have been a little bit mean this time. Tell me if they are too difficult. But let's see how many of us can get 5 right anyway. So we're going to go through the first 5 together. The first coin is on the screen now and you can see the numbers 29. 4 more commemoratives to come and there's another one on the screen. Now I'm going to give you a little clue. All of these coins are United Kingdom 50p coins, and also you can find all of them in your change as well. They have all been released for UK circulation. Now, to make things a little bit easier, you might want to get your 50p coin holders out if you are lucky enough to have one. If not, have a little look on the internet at some commemorative 50p coins. And again, all 5 of these are currently in UK circulation. You might be scratching your head for a couple of them, especially the last one. I think this one is a little bit mean. But again, you guys are fantastic. I'm more than sure you will be able to get them right. I am going to come back with all of the answers on the 29th, which will be the Wednesday. That video will go up at lunchtime as well. We'll see exactly what coins they were, and I'll give a shout out as well to everyone that got 5 correct. Have a little go for fun. It's not a school test. It doesn't matter if you get any right. Doesn't matter at all. Just have a little bit of fun, and that's what the channel is all about. So I've got them on loop now after this a couple of times, so hopefully you will be able to concentrate a little bit more without me in the background. So pop back in on Wednesday to see the answers, but I'm sure there will have been plenty more videos to watch before then. Stay safe, and as always guys, thanks for watching.